Tired of manually entering account information into Pocketguard? Wish there was a quicker, easier way? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to effortlessly generate account numbers within the app, saving you time and hassle. Let's dive in. Imagine this: you're trying to add your bank account to Pocketguard. You open the app, tap Add Account, and then blank. Where do you find that elusive account number? Is it on your debit card? Your bank statement? It can be a real head-scratcher, right? Well, the good news is, Pocketguard often has a clever solution. It can sometimes automatically generate your account number, eliminating the need for manual entry. This feature can be a lifesaver, especially if you're dealing with multiple accounts or struggling to locate that crucial information. Important note: this feature may not work with every bank or financial institution. The success of automatic account number generation depends on factors like your bank's integration with Pocketguard and the specific account type. Step-by-step guide. Open the Pocketguard app. Start by opening the Pocketguard app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap Add Account, locate and tap the Add Account button. This usually resides in the main menu or within the Accounts section of the app. Select your bank. Choose the bank or financial institution associated with the account you want to add. Pocketguard often provides a search bar or a list of supported institutions. Enter basic information. You'll typically be asked to enter some basic information, such as your account name and the type of account, checking, savings, etc. The magic happens. Now comes the key step. Once you've entered the basic information, Pocketguard will attempt to automatically generate your account number. You'll often see a message indicating that the app is searching for your account information. Review and confirm. If the automatically generated account number is correct, simply review it and confirm. If not, you may need to manually enter the correct number. Complete the connection. Follow any remaining on-screen prompts to complete the connection between your bank account and Pocketguard. This may involve additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. Tips and troubleshooting. Check for updates. Ensure you have the latest version of the Pocketguard app installed. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements to account connection features. Clear app cache and data. If automatic account number generation consistently fails, try clearing the Pocketguard app's cache and data. This can sometimes resolve issues and improve performance. Contact support. If you continue to experience problems, reach out to Pocketguard's customer support. They can provide assistance with specific issues and offer troubleshooting guidance. Benefits of automatic account number generation: time saving. No more tedious manual entry of account numbers. This saves you valuable time and effort. Reduced errors. Automatic generation minimizes the risk of human error, such as typos or incorrect entries. Improved accuracy. Accurate account information ensures that your financial data in Pocketguard is reliable and up-to-date. Enhanced user experience. The streamlined process makes adding accounts to Pocketguard a much smoother and more enjoyable experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.